Welcome to this video about Montessori toys. In this video, we are going to learn all about how these toys help in the development of children and how they can be used at home and at school. What are Montessori toys? Montessori toys are a form of learning based on the method developed by the Italian educator Maria Montessori. These toys are designed to encourage exploration, experimentation, and independent learning in children. How do they help in the development of children? Montessori toys help develop fine motor skills, cognitive skills, and social-emotional skills. They also help children to develop their creativity, curiosity, and self-confidence. What types of Montessori toys are there? There are many different types of Montessori toys, such as blocks, matching games, sorting games, construction games, imitation games, and sensory games. How to use Montessori toys at home and at school? Montessori toys can be used both at home and at school. At home, they can be used during free time or as a way of learning at home. At school, they can be used as a way of supporting learning in the classroom. Montessori toys are a unique way of learning that help children develop their fine motor skills, cognitive skills, and social-emotional skills. They can be used both at home and at school and are an excellent tool for independent learning. Thank you very much for watching this video about Montessori toys. We hope it was informative and useful for you.